Hello students, a very good morning to all of you. How are you? I hope you all are good at home and also doing your homework on time. I am Khushpreet, your class teacher. Students, as you know, we are doing the theme that is being good. And our today's topic is health and hygiene. Okay, now we start our topic. Firstly, I define the health. Health means the state of being free from illness or injury, a state of complete physical, mental and social well-being. Okay, now I am going to tell you about the benefits of healthful diet. When we take a healthful diet, then it reduces the chances of cancer, and it also makes our strong bones and teeth, improved memory and so on. After health, now I am going to define you about the hygiene. Hygiene means conditions to maintain health and preventing disease, okay, especially through cleanliness. Hygiene is any practice that you do to keep things healthy and clean, like washing hands, regular house cleaning are all parts of good hygiene. Okay, now after this I am going to recite a rhyme, that is healthy food. Fruits are good for me and you. Fruits are good for me and you. Fresh green vegetables are healthy too. Fresh green vegetables are healthy too. We must eat them every day. That's why all our elders say. We must eat them every day. That's why all our elders say. Milk, butter, curd and cheese. Milk, butter, curd and cheese. Also honey made by bees. Rice, pulses, bread and wheat are the things we all must eat. Rice, pulses, bread and wheat are the things we all must eat. After reciting this rhyme, now open page number 9 of your Icon Explorer, book number 5. Students, you see in this page healthy and unhealthy food. Draw lines correctly to join the healthy and unhealthy food with thumbs up or thumbs down. Students, in this page you see different food items, okay, like chocolate, cornflakes, pizza, fruits, juice, street food, noodles, cheese, fish, burger, bread, chips, milk, french fries, egg, cold drink, toffees, vegetables and pulses. These are the some eatables, okay, which you think that are healthy. Match that food items with the thumbs up sign, and which you think that is not good for our health, that food items you match with the thumbs down side. Okay, okay students, now open page number 10 of your same book, book number 5. This page, my favorite food. Paste a picture of your favorite food item here, then talk about it. Students, you have to paste the picture of your favorite food item that you like the most, okay, and you also talk about that food item. Okay, students? Now, today we will revise A to Z. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. After revising this, now again I am going to recite a rhyme. Rhyme on letter U. Students, you can also learn this rhyme from My Study Gear app. U, an upside down umbrella. U is an upside down umbrella which I will take to the beach. U is an upside down umbrella which I will take to the beach and sail it in the sea water till it is out of reach. And sail it in the sea water till it is out of the reach. Okay. Now, after reciting this rhyme, students take pipe cleaner. Okay, like this, as you see in this picture. Firstly, take a pipe cleaner, and after that make the letter U with the help of this pipe cleaner. Okay, like this. Bend the pipe cleaner in the shape of U and paste it on the sheet of paper. Okay, students, you have to make the letter U. After this, open page number 11 of your book number 5. I can book number 5. This page, you see letter U. U is for on. U is for umbrella. And U is for under. Okay. Firstly, you write the letter U on tracing, and after that write letter U without tracing. Okay. Now open the next page, that is page number 12. From this page, which of these starts with U? Circle them. In this page, students, you have to circle that those starts with letter U. Like first one is umbrella, tomato, wheel, raincoat and unicorn. And you circle the umbrella and the unicorn. Okay. Now open your workbook and open page number 23. This page. In this page you see the letter capital U. Firstly, you write the letter capital U on tracing, and after that without tracing. And on the page number 49, you see the letter small u. Firstly, write on dots, write with the tracing, and after that without tracing. And also open page number 63 of your workbook. In this page, short U sound. Look at the pictures, complete the word. First picture is of cup. Students, you make the proper U on tracing. Okay. Second is mug. Third, jug. Fourth, pup. Fifth, sun. Bun. Bus. Tub. From these words, you complete the words by making the letter U. Okay, on tracing. Okay, students. Now your homework is to do page number 9, 10, 11, 12 of your I Can Explorer book number 5 and do page number workbook pages 23, 49 and 63. Okay, and you also learn the rhyme, that is healthy food rhyme. you you revise this rhyme at least 2 to 3 times. Okay students, stay home, stay safe. Thank you, have a good day.